Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pie using ingredients from your own garden. First, select fruits such as apples, berries, or peaches that grow well in your area. Prepare your garden beds by enriching the soil with nutrient-rich compost. Then, plant your chosen fruit seeds or seedlings, ensuring they have plenty of space and sunlight to flourish throughout the growing season. Once your garden fruits are ripe, it is time to harvest them. Carefully pick your apples, berries, or other fruits at their peak flavor. Wash and prepare the fruit, removing any unwanted parts like stems or cores. Then, combine your fresh fruit with sugar, a touch of cinnamon or other spices, and a thickening agent like cornstarch to create your delicious pie filling. Now, let us create the perfect pie crust. In a large bowl, combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until a cohesive dough forms. Finally, it is time to assemble and bake your garden fresh pie. Roll out your prepared dough and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour in your delicious fruit filling. Bake the pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Remember to stay hydrated while baking. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.